In beginning, it becomes very difficult for people to sit for a longer time in meditation. So I have designed a small 2-minute meditation for you so that you can start with this in beginning and practice it for certain time so that your mind will get habituated with the practice, and then slowly you can increase the duration. So you can practice with me. Now let's start. Close your eyes, sit comfortably and keep your back straight. Now relax the body. Take a deep breath and relax. Take another deep breath and relax. Take one more deep breath and relax. Relax your complete body, and then tell yourself, let me observe my mind. What kind of thoughts are going on there? Now keep observing your mind as a witness. As an outsider. Keep on observing. Keep a normal breathing pattern. Keep on observing your mind, your thoughts. Now take a deep breath and open your eyes with a lovely smile on your face, and thank God and thank yourself for being such a beautiful person. Have a wonderful day ahead. Thank you.